Late evening update. Partway through my PM chores, and I am dying. It is so disgusting outside. It is raining chunks of ice. You may notice that I am in different clothes. I completely saturated what I was wearing earlier and had to take some time indoors and dry and thaw and put on new clothes to come back out and get back into work. Thankfully I have these Carhartts too. They're really old and beat up, but they're dry. Everything is frozen. The gate latches are frozen. The chains on them are frozen to the posts. The vehicles, the windshields keep freezing. I have to keep scraping them off with ice scrapers. Getting in and out of the Bobcat right now, like filling hay boxes, is just treacherous. It's really, really scary. There's so much ice accumulation on like the lip that I have to step on that if I don't put the ice cleats into it when I'm getting in, I'm gonna just like wipe out. My one ice cleat on my dominant leg, I guess I'm using it more or something, I don't know, but it keeps popping off, so I have to keep putting it back on, which sucks. Horses are all still fine, but tomorrow is gonna be nightmarish, because then we're gonna get just straight rain on top of all of this ice. So I foresee tomorrow being much more problematic than today. But we just kind of have to roll with it because we don't get to pick the weather. So hope everyone is staying safe.